Kaph, also spelled Kaph, is the 11th letter of the Semitic abjads, including Phoenician Kāp, Hebrew Kāf, Aramaic Kāp, Syriac Kāp, and Arabic Kāf, in Abjadi order. The Phoenician letter gave rise to the Greek kappa, kappa, Latin K, and Cyrillic origin of Kāf. Kāf is thought to have been derived from a pictogram of a hand. In both modern Arabic and modern Hebrew, Kāf means palm, grip. Arabic Kāf. The letter is named Kāf, and it is written in several ways depending on its position in the word. There are three variants of the letter. The basic form is used for the Arabic language and many other languages. The crossbarred form, al-Kāf al-Mashkula, al-Mashkaka, is used predominantly as an alternative form of the version above in all forms of Arabic, excluding modern Standard Arabic, and in the languages that use the Perso-Arabic script. The long S-shaped variant form, al-Kāf al-Mabsuta, which is only used in Arabic texts and for writing Quran. It is used consistently in the Sindhi language for unaspirated K. In varieties of Arabic, Kāf is almost universally pronounced as the voiceless velar plosive K. But in rural Palestinian and Iraqi, it is pronounced as a voiceless post-alveolar affricate T. In Moroccan Arabic it's pronounced as K. G-A-C-H. Use in literary Arabic. In literary Arabic, Kāf is used as a prefix meaning, like, as, or, as though. For example, Pakatal-air, meaning, like a bird, or, as though a bird. As in Hebrew, above. The prefix ka is one of the Arabic words for, like, or, as. The other, pamil theta l, is unrelated. The ka prefix sometimes has been added to other words to create fixed constructions. For instance, it is prefixed to talik, this, that, to form the fixed word Catholic, like so. Likewise, quote, Kāf is used as a possessive suffix for second-person singular nouns. Feminine taking Kāf Kazra, ki, and masculine Kāf father, ka. For instance, kitab, book, becomes kitabuka, your book, where the person spoken to is masculine. Kitabuki, your book, where the person spoken to is feminine. At the ends of sentences and often in conversation, the final vowel is suppressed, and thus kitabuk, your book, in several varieties of vernacular Arabic. However, the Kāf with no harakat is the standard second-person possessive, with a literary Arabic harakat shifted to the letter before the Kāf. Thus masculine, your book, in these varieties is kitabik and feminine, your book. Kitabik. Hebrew Kāf. Hebrew spelling. Hebrew pronunciation. The letter Kāf is one of the 6 letters which can receive a dagesh kal. The other 5 are bet, gimel, daleth, p, and tav. See Hebrew alphabet for more about these letters. There are 2 orthographic variants of this letter which alter the pronunciation. Equals Kāf with the dagesh equals. When the Kāf has a dot in its center, known as a dagesh, it represents a voiceless velar plosive K. There are various rules in Hebrew grammar that stipulate when and why a dagesh is used. Equals Kāf without the dagesh. Chaf. Equals. When this letter appears as without the dagesh dot in its center, it represents chi, like the ch in German, bark. In modern Israeli Hebrew the letter heth is often pronounced as a chi, but many communities have differentiated between these letters as in other Semitic languages. Equals final form of Kāf equals. If the letter is at the end of a word, the symbol is drawn differently. However, it does not change the pronunciation or transliteration in any way. The name for the letter is final Kāf. Kāf Sophie. 4 additional Hebrew letters take final forms: Zadi, Mem, Nun, and Pei. Kaph. Kāf is the only Hebrew letter that can take a vowel in its word final form, which is pronounced after the consonant, that vowel being the komats. Significance of Kaph in Hebrew. In gematria, Kaph represents the number 20. Its final form represents 500, but this is rarely used. Tav and Qoph, 400 plus 100, being used instead. As a prefix, Kaph is a preposition. It can mean like, or as in literary Arabic. See below. In colloquial Hebrew, Kaph and shin together have the meaning of when. This is a contraction of kasha, when. Character encodings. See also. Ca. Indic. Gaf. Ka. Indic. Ngaph.